Hey gems, hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute since I've done a video. Yeah, there's a lot going on here, and I thought, finish cleaning my room before work or open BoxyCharm. That was a no-brainer. Okay, so I got my paid box. This was $27.99 a month, and you do have that $1.99 handling fee. So we're gonna unbox this and see if it's different from my PR box, see if I love it. Okay. All right, so you get a card, and the variation is 15. Let me know if you've seen variation 15 out there. And yeah, let's just pull everything out. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so I see by Touch and Soul. Let's see what it is. Pretty Filter Water Full Glow Cream. A lightweight skin tightening cream that'll keep you moisturized with collagen and hyaluronic acid. A $38 value. Okay, the packaging's pretty. I love me some purple. Love me some purple. Ooh, have we? I feel like I've seen this jar before. It probably was something different. Ooh, okay. All of their products look like, I don't know, like the same consistency, except for their primer. All right, there's a little bit of a fragrance, a perfumey kind of scent to it. All right, well, I look forward to trying that. Tightening cream, huh? Usually caffeine tightens, and that's probably, oh my gosh, can't read the instructions there. Oh, there we go. All right, yeah. So we'll worry about that later. Okay, next. What are you? Plasma Gloss? What is that about? Love Craft Beauty. This all-over iridescent bronze gold gloss is a multifunctional buildable gloss that adds a dewy, bronzy, iridescent glow to eyes, cheeks, and lips. $18 value. Okay, I wasn't expecting this. Let me go ahead and open it up. Jeffree Star has eye gloss, which is pretty decent. I'm guessing that other companies are doing it too. This actually has one of those types of seals on it. I don't think I've ever seen one of these on an eyeshadow. Okay, here it is. Of course, we're gonna dig my finger into it. All right. Maybe if I was tanner, I kind of feel like it didn't blend well and it looks kind of patchy, but maybe it's just, I'm too pale. I don't know, but the consistency, blending it out, you might need to spend some time blending it. Okay, so that's my first impression of that. Let's move on. Okay, by Persona Cosmetics, the E-Balm Tinted Lip Balm. You guys know I got this in my PR box, and it's the same shade, and I wasn't too crazy about it. It does have a $22 value. This is what the packaging looks like. I don't know if I have mine around here. Here it is here. It's a light tint. It's not a real moisturizing lip balm. It's light. Okay, moving on. We have, ooh, Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel, a $20 value. And it says it's the shade Taupe. Well, that's cool. It's been a hot minute since I've used a tinted brow gel, so let's do it. Let's see. Oh yes, it can help fill in bald spots because it's tinted. Let's see. Yeah, all right, not bad. This is what the wand looks like. Okay, so happy about that. And the last thing, what is this? Beauty for Certain Perfect Collab. This is an eyeliner pencil set, $38. Why do I feel like I got nothing? I mean, I didn't. I got some stuff, but I don't know, it just feels weird. Then again, it's not, it is kind of curated pretty well. You got your eyeliners, which I'm about to show you, your eye gloss, your brow product, your lip balm, and a moisturizer. That's not too bad. Okay. Let's look at these shades. Oh, this one's leaning. Ooh, they're creamy, like super creamy. Okay, let's go ahead and swatch these babies. There they are there. I really need a tan. I think it's me. I need to get back to the tanning salon, but I've been working a second job, so my life is kind of crazy right now. Okay, so that is my swatches, and that's everything in my box. I will total up the value. Wow, that just wiped off super easy. Okay, well, I don't know about those then. So what do you think of my box? I will put the total value of everything on the screen. $32 with tax, and I did get Ipsy again, so I'm wondering, you know, is this going to be worth it? Should I continue to get this? I don't really use eyeglasses or cream shadows, none of that stuff, so for me this is kind of useless. And the lip balm wasn't that moisturizing, so maybe I can use that in the summer. But I do need lip balms, but they have got to be, I have to use a lip scrub every day, and the lip balm has got to be not sticky, but moisturizing and lasts a while, because I have to constantly put it on and it drives me insane. Okay, so tell me what you think down in the comments below. Thank you for taking the time to watch this unboxing. My life has been so super crazy, so I'm kind of all over the place, but I know you moms out there totally understand. So I thank you for watching this video. I look forward to making another one, and I'll see you guys real soon in my next video. Bye.